What's your viability of your seed? Is your seed going to germinate? You're going to check your wheat. You want to put in maybe 2 to 3 bushels of wheat an acre. Maybe your oat seed is way too old. Maybe your lentil seed got rained on and, it's lost viability. You want to find out, and it's so simple to do. And I'll just show you right in a very short time how to check seed viability. Simple. What you need is paper towels. Fold the paper towel on itself into 4, put it on the plate, and put a little water on it. There, and your water runs in there. Now you've got a wet paper towel on a plastic plate, and I can take a random sample, and maybe I'll put out, say, 25 peas. And you can work out the percentage. Now, how do I get the germ test? Very simple. This is a Ziploc bag that'll prevent them from drying. Open the bag. Put in this paper plate. Zip the bag closed. Put this on top of your refrigerator or anywhere in the room, a warm room, 70 degrees, a house room, anywhere, and that will germinate in a week. If the germination is high, send it in for a germ and a vigor test. You've got good peas there. If it's low, you don't. I did this earlier with beans about 2 weeks ago, maybe longer than 2 weeks, but see, excellent germination. I count them up, and let's say I can't find any seeds that didn't germinate. Oh, well, there's 2 here. Maybe they got a bit dry, but the germ test on this from a look is about 90%. I could send this to the lab, so I want to know the vigor and any disease on it, and do a germ test. And I say, hey, I get it back. I got beans at 90% germ, or 95% germ. I did some with oats about a month ago, and germination about 50%. So I'd pretty well say if I was going to put oats in this year, I'd buy a new seed lot, because the germination on this I know is poor. And that's simple. So you can find out some answers yourself. Be your own thinker. Be your own judge of what you're growing. And you've got a few months before you do anything in the field. Now is the time to check out your seed lots.